intro?
Yes, sir.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got these paint matched vents for the Z32 that go to the intercoolers instead of these dumb fog lights that don't do anything.
This one's broken.
Yeah, they're broken, they're old, they're ugly and yellow, and we're just trying to get rid of them. I'm broken between keeping it red. Like
What you mean you're torn between?
Torn between keeping it red paint matched or making it black, like matte black to match the mustache. So I'm taking them off to see how they look paint matched, because it might not look as bad as I think it will.
Yeah, so we got these from a guy on eBay. You can tell they're 3D printed. I think he charged like $10 to paint them in ultra red. The paint is like not the best, but we're gonna see what they look like installed with red, and then if we don't like it, we're gonna try painting them black. And we're also putting in new light bulbs because the turn signals are blinking fast, but apparently Jonah said he just got done doing that and it didn't change anything.
Didn't change anything.
Where are the turn signals at right now?
They're sitting in the driver's seat.
Oh. Not sure if you remember on this car, but to install the intercoolers, we had to cut and swap the direction of the light bulbs, which I think is nuts, but
it's pretty miserable, right?
it's what it took to fit those massive intercoolers in there. All right, so we'll report back. All right, Jonah, what have we done so far?
All right, so we got them painted. We got the old fog lights pulled out.
They're not perfect, but
Yeah, they look like trash is what he means. When I pulled this one out, it quite literally fell apart. I didn't even know that this was glass, this little panel. It was kind of useless. It kind of just lit up like the very corner.
how did we get access to the fog light?
Oh, there's 3 bolts on the other end. There's 1 on the top and 2 on the bottom. The one on the top is kind of hard to get. All right, so to put those on, you remove these 2 bolts that are on the corner light. It's sitting like this, and this should like fold like that and come right out. And then on the inside, this will be sitting in here. There's 3 10 mil nuts that you just gotta screw off. This one's pretty hard to get to. And then you push on it and it'll slide out with the wire still connected. And you put a flat head and kind of just walk it out and stab your finger. and then it's out. And those just slide right in.
Yeah, we'll probably do like a little bit of double-sided tape, and then I'm not sure if you saw it in the time lapse, but I sprayed a little bit of black spray paint back in that hole because it's like a fiberglass, and I didn't want it to
unpainted.
Yeah, I didn't want it to stick out. So
yeah.
we'll see.
Finished getting the vents on. They look pretty good. The paint needs to be refinished, but it's pretty good for now. I went ahead and retouched up the spots all along the bumper and put some black Sharpie in where there was some holes in the mustache, but you see they go back to the intercoolers back there. We painted the inside stuff black. You can still see there's a lot of mistakes in there, but it looks good from back here, which is all I care about. But yeah, looks pretty good.